TxStampin Sharon. I have got some adorable little cards to share with you today, and I've got a few tips and tricks to share with you as well. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the notification bell. You'll be notified when I upload videos. I love teaching how to use these Stampin' Up! Products and just making your life easier. Let's get started. Today we're using the sweet little stamp set called Under My Umbrella. It has some cute little images and a lot of sentiments, which is always my favorite thing when you can buy one stamp set and have lots of options to use. It pairs up with a cute little punch. It's called the Umbrella Builder Punch. And I love punches. Punches are just easy. They're easy for everyone, whether you're just starting out or whether you're a seasoned stamper. Here is the card that I made, and I'll be honest, I made several versions of this card, and then I shared them on my Facebook page, and I asked people, did you like it this way, or do you like it that way? It was about a 50-50 thing, so I think what I'm going to do today is kind of incorporate some of the thoughts that they gave me into the card that we're going to make together. I have a couple of other ideas to share with you, so I hope you enjoy them. We're going to start off with a piece of Whisper White cardstock. And this measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches. I'm going to use my Memento ink and some Stampin' blends. I'm also pulling in the Tropical Oasis Designer Series paper. Okay, so taking into consideration some of the ideas that I got on my Facebook page, we're going to add some flowers, and I'm going to add more than what I did on the original card. My challenge when I made the card is that I just felt like I had too much white space. I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment. And then we're going to add some raindrops. I'm using Smoky Slate. Next, we're going to stamp the umbrella directly onto the Designer Series paper. And the boots. Now, I am not a fussy cutter. I don't like to use scissors all the time. I'd rather have a punch. But Stampin' Up! Didn't give us a punch for the boots. And I found that cutting them out with the snips was not that big of a deal. Lots of straight lines, pretty quick and easy. Next, we're going to take our punch. By stamping at the bottom of my Designer Series paper, I didn't waste any. We love our Designer Series papers and we don't want to waste it. I do have a scrap of basic black, and I want to go ahead and punch out the umbrella handle. So we're going to let the focus of this card, instead of pulling in the big red heart, we're going to let the focus be the beautiful Tropical Oasis Designer Series paper. We're going to adhere the boots just with some snail. And we want to make sure that our umbrella and boots will fit. So we're going to just place those there for now. We're going to add snail to our handle. We're going to add the umbrella with some dimensionals. Super cute. Now to color. I'm using Daffodil Delight Dark, Old Olive Dark, and Real Red Dark. Now that we've finished coloring, we're going to adhere our layers. And you know, I always say there's always two sides to a piece of paper. Never waste paper. Just turn it over, use the back. I am layering this on a piece of Real Red that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. My card base is my go-to. It's the Whisper White Thick Card Base, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored and folded at 4 1/4. So I wanted to share with you a few of the ideas. So some people said that the red heart overpowered the beautiful designer series paper. I could see that. Some said, leave it like this and add more raindrops. And I think that's a winner. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, because I want your opinion too, not just my Facebook people. Let me show you my other cards that I made with this stamp set. So here's another card, and I loved it. This is actually the designer series paper from the Peaceful Poppies, stamped on it as well, just like I did the Tropical Oasis. Punched it out. This is that adorable little ladybug stamp set that is a hostess only stamp set. And when I say hostess only, when your order is $300 or more, then you can get that cute little stamp set. How about this one? Love it. So bright and cheery. This is going to be my granddaughter's birthday card, and I think she's going to love it. This designer series paper is from the Golden Honey designer series paper that is from the Celebration. Celebration is when you shop for $50 on my store, which that link is in the description box below. Then you can choose something free, whether it's the designer series papers or a stamp set or dies. I sure hope y'all like my inspiration for you using the Under My Umbrella stamp set and the Umbrella Builder Punch. If I can ever help you with any of your Stampin' Up! Supply needs, I'd be honored. You can contact me in the description box below. Happy stamping, y'all!